I'm Sid.
I'm David.
I'm Nantong.
I'm Crystalline.
So today we're gonna present about the software design project, which is two games. The first one is Yahtzee and the second one is Memory. So we have done two software. The first one is Yahtzee, which is our main game, and the second one is Memory. Our group members are divided into two smaller groups. So one group of two working on Yahtzee and the other group working on Memory. So one member of each team work on the algorithm and studio code documentation, and the other one work on the MATLAB code. So there are a few main procedures for our software. First, we interview the other students for software choosing. Then we determine the software. We discuss about the algorithm and flowchart. Then we start the coding. So we test it out and we interview the other user for improvement. Then we make the improvement. Here's come the final test. And that's it.
So the first game we made was Yahtzee. So Yahtzee is a dice game played with 5 dice, and each player takes turns rolling and re-rolling the dice in hope of making certain categories. The categories can include pairs, 3 of a kind, straights, or full houses, and each player will fill in a score for each category. When all 13 categories are full or 0, the game ends and a total score is computed. The code was written in MATLAB using the function load and display. The players were prompted to enter the number of players, and each player was prompted whether they wanted to re-roll and which dice they wanted to re-roll. The objective was to fill up the 13 categories with a score, but it might not always be possible. At the end of the game, a total score was computed for each player. So Yahtzee would do very well in the market because it's a very strategic game, and many companies are introducing remastered versions of Yahtzee and online gaming platforms for the game.
So I'm going to demonstrate the Yahtzee game. So at first you click run. So it prompt you to enter the number of players. So in this case I press 2. So hi player 1, are you ready for play Yahtzee? So I press Y for yes. I'm ready for it. So as you can see, the dice is randomly rolled, and this is your scoreboard, and this is the possible score from this combination. So in this case, I just wanna skip it, so I press 0. So it prompt you that do you want to reroll? So yes, I want to reroll. So enter which dice you want to reroll from 1 to 5. So I want to get another 6. So I want to roll 1, 2, and 4. So I press 1, 2, and 4. So I press 0 to execute it. Yeah, as you can see, you will roll it until 3, 6. So in this case, I want to get the 3 of kind. So I press 7. Yeah, as you can see, this is the scoreboard, and 3 of kind have 23. So hi player 2, are you ready? So this is another same process about it.
So the second game we did was Memory. Memory is a card game where a player tries to memorize the order of a 2-half deck of cards. They use their turns to select 2 different cards to see if they match. If they match, then they'll stay face up, and then it'll end the game when they are all face up. This code was written on MATLAB using the image-show function. The file carddeck.mat was downloaded for the purpose of displaying the cards figures in the game. The program looped through until all the cards were matched and prompted the user for the row and column of the number of cards. A 2-dimensional matrix was then indexed for those cards, and if they matched, they would stay face up. If they didn't match, they would stay for 4 seconds face up to show the user the cards and then stay face down.
So Memory would be a good game to invest because it is both simple and due to less maintenance, and it is also a classic game which has already been played on the computer for decades. I'm here to demonstrate the Memory game. At the beginning of this game, you will have all of the cards faced up, and you have time to memorize the order of these cards, and I'll type Y when I am ready to play it. and all of the cards will be face down. And I just enter the row and columns of the 2 cards I choose. Okay, the cards I choose doesn't match, so you will have time to sit it and they'll face down. You have another try. Okay, I matched 2 cards and it will keep faced up, and the game will end when all of the cards are matched.